basically my entire wardrobe is made of basics. I have the occasional thing like this, it's quite loud, but everything else is basics, and I just know that I can pick 2 things that are basically random, and it's going to make a cool look. Like that will just totally go, because it's just so simple and so easy.
Yeah, so this is just a 12, so this was more of a summer piece.
Yeah.
Mid-weight.
It'd be really nice in that, I think, actually.
The rust is nice.
The rust is nice. I think this is really nice.
Okay.
Super simple, super easy. Everyone can wear this.
And in that rust cord, it will just take it to the next level.
I quite like that. On the other one, it's suede, but then they're sort of lined, and then even have this sort of colour.
A little bit of sort of just that blue hint, just flashing just across the. Yeah, this is really nice. Let's do it. You should design stuff for a job.
I feel like, you know, the UK used to be the hub of fabrics, and garments, and fashion. But then we kind of outsourced everything. I just don't think the world was ready for the pressure we were going to put on that system.
I mean, you wonder how long sort of the made in England manufacturing industry is going to last. Hopefully, brands like ours can keep it going, and it can get back to its strength.